Oh, you say the letters out? I was just saying the word the whole time.
Asthma?
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Awkward.
Really?
Don't tell the kids they're gonna make a meme out of me. Or one of those GIFs. Try to relax, right? There it goes. So crispy. Raise this leg as high as you can. Yeah, pretty good. Other side. Yeah. Left one's better. The Model 4 will work for her.
At the M9?
The big boy's gotta get the M9, bro. You know. My boy Carlos knows. My boy Dr. Plake knows. Yeah, right there.
Oh.
Okay, raise that leg again. Good, back down. Hey, did you guys come from LA for this?
Just drove up there. Yeah.
Ooh, 4 hours?
Yeah. With some traffic too. Just chilling.
Woof. You going back right after this? Or are you staying?
Yeah.
Oof. Stay. Raise that leg again. There we go.
Oh, yeah. What was that?
Good hip extension.
Ooh.
Alright, one more time.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, my God. I'm surprised you didn't quote like MC Hammer or something
What?
when the hammer came out. I don't know, like it's hammer time.